Have you ever been in the boutiques and see this nice looking lucia buns and you are doubting on how this was prepared or how it was being made? I am going to present the full recipe on how I prepared this nice looking lucia buns, which is so easy. So just watch keenly and see all the recipes and the techniques and steps in which this was made. So I have mixed my paste already, but in the mixture is flour 1 kilograms, milk 5 deciliter, turmeric 1 tablespoon, cardemom 1 tablespoon, fat 3 grams, melted fat precisely. You can use liquid fat or you melt your butter, but it should be 3 grams. Eggs just 1, and some yeast 1 packet, and with these nice dry grapes. Also used sugar 500 grams in the mixture. A pinch of salt can be added, but it's optional. So this is it already mixed, and after I mixed it, I kept it for 1 hour because of the yeast so that it will rise up. So now after 1 hour, I took up my buns and placed them on the table. The designs are being made. We are just rolling it on the table gently and come out with any design of your choice. You will see different types of shape and sizes here, but all the same, lucia buns will come out very well. So you can see this one, how it is being rolled and designed in a shape that will come out after baking. It will look so nice, and some dry grapes are being added on it. You see how nice it is when being decorated. As of this time, my oven has been set on like 30 minutes before everything will be made already on 180 degree. You can mold it any way that you like, but the sizes should be the same. Everything has been rolled and designed in different sizes. You can decide to do it in uniform. It has been taken in the oven, and it will be in the oven for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is lucia buns. They came out so well. They're brownish in color, so nice looking. It tastes so well, very easy to prepare. Guys, try this delicious and nice looking lucia buns at home and you will really enjoy it. It doesn't take a lot of time to prepare, very easy and fast going. Take this for breakfast or even dinner with a glass of milk or juice, any juice of your choice. It is yummy. So thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.